Today we'll see 5 expressions you'll hear on a daily basis in Greece. These are super useful for sounding like a native speaker. Let's get started. Τι λέει η νέα ταινία? Καλή? Απίστευτη. This phrase is used to ask for someone's opinion on something, whether it's food, a movie, or even a new experience. Instead of just asking how is it, Greeks ask what does it say. It's a cool and casual way to check how someone feels about something. Τι έκανες σήμερα? Πήγα για τρέξιμο, έφαγα με φίλους, πήγα για καφέ, αυτά. Εσύ? Αυτά is used when you want to wrap things up, or when you are done explaining what you've been doing. It's like saying that's it or that's everything. Μου χρωστάς 50 ευρώ. Από πού και ως πού? Πλήρωσα το εισιτήριο του λεωφορείου για σένα. Α, εντάξει. Έχεις δίκιο. Από πού και ως πού is used when you are surprised or a little irritated by something someone says. It's like saying, where did you get that idea? Or what makes you think that's true? Τι έγινε με την παρουσίαση? Άστα, πήγε χάλια. Aasta is used when something is too complicated or difficult or unpleasant to explain. It's like saying don't even ask or I don't want to get into it. A perfect phrase for those I really don't want to talk about it moments. Είναι ήδη 8 το βράδυ, έτοιμος? Κιόλας? Κιόλας is used when something happens faster or sooner than expected. You might use it when you are surprised by how quickly something is happening. It's like saying already or so soon. Okay, that's it. Now you've got 5 super common Greek phrases that will make you sound more like a native speaker. Don't forget to practice them and let me know which one you like best. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe and drop a comment with your own examples. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. Τα λέμε!